Consider the product 10 times 2.35. Use a drawing with base 10 blocks to show the process of calculating this product in a way that uses our book's definition of multiplication. Be sure to identify which block represents the whole. Okay, so let's do that first. Let's let a flat equal 1 because we'll be able to represent 2.35 that way. 2 flats, 3 longs, 5 little cubes. Okay, so 2.35 is going to be 2 flats, 3 longs, and 5 singles. Okay, and I want to do 10 times this, which means 10 groups of 2.35. So this is one group, represents 2.35. I need 10 of these, so I'm just going to copy this 10 times. Okay, so I have finished drawing a bunch of these, and I didn't draw all 10 because that's tedious. I'm just going to say 10 groups over here, adding up 10 groups of these. Okay, and then because there are 10 of these, and the way the structure in base 10 works is that anytime you get 10 flats, it makes a cube. Anytime you get 10 longs, it makes a flat. And every time you get 10 singles, it makes a long. So this is going to become a cube. My flats become cubes because I have 10 of them. My longs become flats because I have 10 of them. And my singles become longs because I have 10 of them. And then if a flat represents 1, then these are 10s. 10, 10, 1, 1, 1. And these are tenths. So this is 23.5.